welcome back to my channel. This is indeed your girl Tia McPherson's. Today's video will be sponsored by Imethod. I'll be trying out their brow stamp and stencil kit. That's what I was sent to review, so that's what I'm going to be doing today. They have some brow brushes, okay, and the brow stamp itself in 11 living colors, and you got stencils to choose from, the shape that you want for your brow.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
You know what I'm saying, like, what in the world? We be looking crazy right now. But then guys, once I started brushing it up, blending it out, and whatever, I started looking a little bit different. This video is going to be extremely short, as this is a sponsored video, and this video is specially made for Imethod to review their brow stamp and stencil kit. Okay, and I have the shade dark brown. They have brown, dark brown, and black. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna speed this along. Okay, just showing you guys how I shape the brows and whatever. That's about it. Y'all already know how I do my sheesh. And bam, just like that. So you see the brows are thicker than I normally have them. But listen, sis, this is nice. Like, it took me half the time I would sit and try to do my damn brows. Like, this is a time saver, sis. Save you some coins, save you some time. Especially when you want to do a quick look, sis. You gotta get this. Imethod, thank you so much for sending me this, and I can't wait to try some more of your amazing products. Thank y'all for watching. See y'all soon. Bye. Mwah.